Hi guys! 8:10 PM na, iwaw feng shui na. Brethren, family, and friends, pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang inyo pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyo pong feng shui, Pachi, Chimen, Yijing, and date selection consultant. So, kumusta po kayo? BFF, you're so blessed. We are so blessed. Why? Because we have this kind of sharing, no po. A sharing po that may change your life. It's for you to have a game plan and eventually po the game changer. And it's free of charge. Po, free of charge. All you need is a compass and this information that may change your life. Opo. We're so blessed. Why? Because we have this, no po. We have the access to this that we can use it for tomorrow. After all, tomorrow, Monday, simula na naman. Opo, simula na naman, and we want to make sure that we get everything right. And to my clients po, to Kuyang George po, Kuyang Gary, to my two clients from Los Angeles, Orange County, thank you so much po sa inyo for the online opportunity, the online consultation that you have given me, na tayo po ay do it's an online from the US, from the States at least. Ito po, thank you, so blessed. Kahit po linggo, no? Tayo po ay may kliyente. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much. Again, BFF, tomorrow, sa mga nakikinig po, anong gagawin mo tomorrow para magbago ang buhay mo, para po magkaroon ng magandang change, para po mag-turn around po yung situation. From something not so good, from something bad to something perfect or excellent or auspicious. Okay, tingnan natin. So tomorrow, September 16, Monday, is called the Water Goat. Enters the auspicious open day. Yes, BFF, you heard me. It's an auspicious open day ng Water Goat. Silipin natin bakit naging auspicious ang Monday. Okay, let's check. Alright, it says here, suitable for marriage proceedings, setting up the altar, seek blessings, making a donation, traveling, celebration, assuming a new post. Hi to Kuyang Senior Warden Noble Joseph, sir. Hi Kuyang, thanks for watching, Nobs. Assuming a new post, meeting friends, moving house, buying a new car, pursuing studies, keeping a pet, and purchases. Hi to Worshipful Master Noble Jexter, sir. Worshipful, good evening po. Hi, thanks for watching. So, Kuyang Brother Senior Warden and Worshipful Sir, anong i-avoid tomorrow, BFF? Avoid going to sea, legal matters, signing a contracts, and groundbreaking not for tomorrow. How about animal signs? Rat and ox not so good, tiger is average, rabbit is very good, dragon is average, snake is not so good, horse and goat is very good, monkey average, rooster not so good, dog average, and pig very good. Hi to Kuyang SK Sir Gunter. Hi Kuyang SK. Good evening. Thanks for watching. Mga Kuyang BFF, thanks So Kuyang Gunter, Worshipful Master Jexter, and Senior Warden Noble Joseph, what if Kuyang naman sa dinami-dami ng gagawin, ako bukas maglalayag, merong legal consultation because I'm a lawyer, no Kuyang, or you need to consult a lawyer tomorrow, magko-contract signing ka at magga-groundbreak, anong gagawin natin? Postponed? No. Kailangan lang natin ang backing po ng daily chimen. Opo, time is gold po kailangan po ma-maximize natin, BFF, no? Huwag tayong puro delay and then baka po kumapit yung delay, hindi na po magkatuloy-tuloy. So tomorrow, ito po, if you're a blogger, a content maker, anything to do with sales and marketing, and you want to 10x being beautiful and handsome digitally or in any other form, and person-to-person talk with the magic to buy magic na naman, that magic potent whole day, 11:01 p.m. to 10:59 p.m. the next day, with the magic structure, talikod sa south. If you want to create opportunities, yan po talikod sa northwest. If you're not feeling well, hi to Sir Anthony, all the way from Muntinlupa. Hi sir, good evening po and see you very soon. And for the Yakult po, yung Yakult natin, Sir Anthony, good evening po sa inyo. And kay Tita rin po, good evening. Yes. Hi to Kuyang Resty. Hi Kuya, kumusta ka na? Di na tayo nakapagkain nung paborito ko niyan sa inyo sa Kalamba. Hello Kuyang Resty. Oo, yung paborito natin. Oo, yung ano ba yun? Yung puto. Puto siopaw. Yeah. Namimiss ko na. Parang di ko na alam ang lasa. Kuya Resty, see you soon. See you very soon. Okay, Kuyang Resty, if you want good health, not feeling well, talikod sa North. And for the game changer, anything to do with finances, makakuha ng magandang land, maka-meet ng good medical practitioner, eto. Hi to, yan, toasted siopaw yan. Yes, Kuya Resty, thank you. Yan, kakain tayo ulit yan. Ito, Kuya Resty, Worshipful Sir, Senior Warden Sir, and SK Batch Gunter. Anything to do with finances, the game changer tomorrow with, ganda po nito, nakatalikod lahat po sa Northeast. Ayan, o daw, pengi daw, Kuya Resty. Sige po. Alam mo, Worshipful, dadaan lang ka namin, bigyan ka namin ito. Toasted siopaw. Opo, BFF brethren, talikod bukas sa Northeast is starting later. You can pray, you can manifest, and ask for what you want. 7 stars po ito, malakas po ito. Maganda po, 7 stars. Wow. And by the way, BFF agreed. BFF, sa mga naka-experience na po ng 7-star path, meron na po tayong 9 Taiji Nobleman po. Hi, to Noble Architect, Dan Fred. Kuyang Sir, how are you? Architect Dan. See you soon in Mandaluyong. Oh, dami ng mga BFF Brethren, thank you so much for the support. And yun po, BFF, yung mga naka-experience na po ng 7-star path, we have the 9 candles Taiji Nobleman. Wow. Ito po, mas malakas to, and I will say divine intervention. And if you want to seek the help of noble people, ito po, 9 candles na po tayo ngayon. 9 candles na po. So, hope to see you soon for the 9-star path. Kuyang Dan Fred Nobs, Architect, yes, mantayin ito, 9 candles tayo. For divine intervention and game changer. Ayan. Okay. Siyempre po naman, ito na. O Kuya Norman baka naman, malimutan ng Green Dragon, ang Flying Bird, at ang Jade Maiden watching the door. Ito po, silipin natin. At least bukas Monday, we want to, siyempre, kung last week medyo laylo, medyo matamlay, we make the most out of it. Babawi tayo this week, babawi. Ito, simulan natin ang pagbawi. Okay, 5 a.m. to 6:59 a.m., Jade Maiden watching the door, talikod sa North. 7 a.m. to 8:59 a.m., the number 1 most auspicious structure in Chimendunja, talikod sa South, Green Dragon returns. Hi Maring Seni, all the way from Pasig. Magandang gabi po Mare, thanks for watching. Ito po 7 a.m. to 8:59. Ayan. Hi to Kuyang Pepe. Yes, good evening po Kuyang, magandang gabi. Thank you po thanks for watching. So Kuyang, mga brethren, Maring Seni Green Dragon returns, the number 1 most auspicious structure in Chimen, talikod sa South. And then 11 a.m. to 12:59 p.m., talikod naman sa Southwest, Flying Bird fall into cave naman wherein blessing comes to you. And from 1 p.m. to 2:59 p.m., backing sa West, Flying Bird fall into cave, pwede rin po. And doon sa akin pong client, Ma'am Mandy, yes, for tomorrow po, you can knock south 3 times between 7 a.m. to 8:59 a.m. Okay. Mamandi, tomorrow you may knock south 3 times using a hammer between 7 a.m. to 8:59 a.m. and then mag-proceed ka sa ground doon po sa renovation of your house. Okay. Ang dahil po tatanong So, para masagot ko na po sila lahat. Ito Sa lahat po na may gagawin bukas, magre-renovate, mag-aayos ng bubong because of any leaks, water leaks. By the way po, if there are any water leaks sa bahay po nyo, coming sa bubong, sa pipe, sa shower head, sa gripo, sa piping, anything po sa metro po ng tubig, you have to fix it, BFF. Because ito pong mga leaks pong ito is money coming out from you. Unexpected po ito ng mga expenses and we don't want that So careful po kayo. So, hindi man po kayo, sabi niya ba, kasi wala akong aquarium, wala akong fountain. Sometimes it's not that eh. Minsan po may mga leaks tayong undetected. You have to check your water lines. Hi to Brother Senior Deacon, Kuyang Melvin. Hi, good evening. Opo, good evening sa'yo. Yan, Kuyang Melvin ha, BFF. Lahat na magre-renovate tomorrow, water leaks, check it out. Utility services, basta gagamit ng pampukpok, ng hammer, renovation. Bukas, 7 a.m. to 8:59 a.m. Magpukpok ng 3 beses sa south, 7 a.m. and then after that, saka nyo gawin yung gagawin po nyo any place in the house. So magpukpok mo, magtabi-tabi po muna before you renovate something tomorrow. Baka po unknowingly, magsimula ka direkta sa southeast, may sakit doon. Unknowingly, magdirekta ka sa west, may 5 evils nga doon, disgrasya tayo dyan. We don't want that. BFF! Alam po nyo, last Friday, sa lodge po namin sa our city meeting sa Palanyag Lodge number 323, we have the Mooncake Festival. No po, with our, of course, yung ating pong 3 lights headed by our worshipful master Christopher Chua, Senior Warden Den Tuhuk, and Junior Warden Kevin Neil Cruz, yung pong anak ko. And nag-enjoy po kami. Meron pong Mooncake Festival celebration po for the first time in the history after the 25 years of Palanyag. We have the Mooncake Festival. So now, ang tanong, ano bang meron sa Mooncake Festival? Okay, a Mooncake Festival po is a Chinese festival wherein po it's called the Mid-Autumn po, yung Mooncake Festival. So according po sa story, it's about a story about love, compassion, and sacrifice. But because nung long time ago po, of course, this is ito po yung story, there was this archer na who was tasked by the divine to do something at nagawa niya, and because he did that, siya ay nabiyayaan po ng elixir for long life. Elixir for longevity. So pinagpakatago-tago niyo, sabi niya, better ipagkatiwala ko to sa other half ko. So pinagkatiwala niya sa other half niya. However, siyempre po, ni may iwasan, may gusto laging magnakaw o mangagaw po ng ganyan pong mga klase po ng mga blessing and power. Ininom po nung kanyang wife yung elixir and she became the moon. And that's, kaya po, because of that, because of the sacrifice, that selfless, yun po, siya po yung naging moon, na-incarnate as a moon, and that how, yun po nagsimula ang Mooncake celebration. Now, Norma naman, kwento, ano gagawin? Okay, yun po ay September 17. So, on September 17, ito na, BFF ha, special to, Mid-Autumn Festival Activation of Good Energy. So, September 17, between 6:10 a.m. to 6:59 a.m. Yan po So, makikita niyo yung moon. Maganda, you see the moon Kita mo yung Cebuan. So, you're outside at nakatalikod ka sa southwest. September 17. September 17 is a Tuesday. Yan So, sa Tuesday, 6:10 a.m., kita mo na yung buwan, taliko sa southwest, and then you write all what you want. Yun po ang ritual. You write what you want. So, kasi ito po, meron po itong component po ng distraction star, meaning yung lahat po ng challenges that you are experiencing, all the bad things that you're experiencing, you have to let go. You have to make the effort to, cut it loose, forget it, go around it, go over it. So, having said that, you write all what your wants and wishes, having your back to the southwest between the time of 6:10 p.m. to 6:59 p.m. on September 17 is the Mid-Autumn or the Mooncake Festival. So, if you do it po, wala mawawala. Maybe this is a time na mag-align po everything with the moon. After all, the moon is a symbol of wisdom. Yan po And tama-tama po sa Chimen, we can do this. Or if you want, you can count from 64 to 1 bago ka magsulat, before you ask for something. Now, if you're somewhere out there na wala kang papel, maybe you can use your phone, mag-notes ka. Basta kailangan isulat po para po meron kang point of reference. Again, don't forget that September 17, BFF, 6:10 p.m. to 6:59 p.m. Dapat po may buwan, Pag walang moon, well, okay na rin. Basta masinagang ko nung outdoor and then have your back to southwest. There you have it. Okay. So, BFF, thank you so much for the opportunity to being able to share. Thank you so much for being there. Let us continuously pray for each other. Let's continue to pray for our leaders and for world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all with a grateful heart. Maraming po salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless, good night, and see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, mga kuyang. Thank you. Bye-bye.